Hello, Cape Coral. This is the Greatest Cape events rundown for the week ending September 24th. Friday Night Live is happening tonight in downtown Fort Myers at Patio de Leon. The weekly free concert starts at 6 and comes to a close at 9. This week is Grits and Gravy playing blues for all to enjoy. Saturday, come and join the Living Mindfully Festival and Peace Walk. Starting at 9 a.m., this festival features many family-oriented activities as well as guided walks, information on yoga and tai chi, and arts and crafts for all. Festival closes at 1 p.m. If you're in the mood for some competition on Saturday, come to Around the Clock Fitness at 9 a.m. to register to compete in Greatest Cape's first of 5 scavenger hunts we are hosting right here in Cape Coral. Sunday, chill out to the beat of drums at Drum Circle being held in Centennial Park, right in the heart of downtown Fort Myers. This event starts at 6 and ends at 9. Drum Circle is a gathering of friends and welcomes all musical instruments as well as hula hooping, stringing, and any other special hobbies you may have. This event is free to attend as always. Learn to Sprout at Rotary Park on Tuesday the 27th. This class teaches you how to grow sprouts, wheatgrass, and many other greens in your own home. Course includes a starter jar and is $20 for Cape Coral residents. For more local happenings, visit Greatest Cape Southwest Florida and Cape Coral events calendar. If you would like to have your event in the Greatest Cape Weekly Events Rundown, email me at ashleygwiz@yahoo.com. I'll be sure to be in contact with you. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.